Click on the link below to get price. The Ideal-Air Dehumidifier 60 Pint is a robust solution for managing humidity levels effectively in medium to large spaces. Designed for rooms up to 1,200 square feet, this unit is particularly beneficial for basements, laundry rooms, and garages where dampness can lead to mold growth and unpleasant odors. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its impressive capacity, removing up to 60 pints of moisture per day. In more humid conditions, it can operate efficiently to remove up to 120 pints daily, making it a reliable workhorse for areas prone to high humidity. The operation is relatively quiet, which is a significant advantage for those who might use it in living areas or bedrooms. The unit boasts a user-friendly digital control panel that allows you to set your desired humidity level, and it features an auto restart function that kicks in after a power outage, maintaining your settings without interruption. The built-in pump is a game changer, enabling continuous drainage. This means you can place the dehumidifier in a lower area and drain the water upwards into a sink or drain, eliminating the hassle of frequently emptying the water tank. In terms of design, the Ideal-Air Dehumidifier is sleek and modern, with a durable white casing that blends well with various home decors. It includes handles and wheels for easy transport, which is especially useful if you need to move it around your home. The energy efficiency of this model is commendable, with an Energy Star rating, which helps in reducing electricity bills while promoting eco-friendliness. It also features a washable air filter, ensuring that the air quality remains clean and fresh. Overall, the Ideal-Air Dehumidifier 60 Pint offers excellent performance, making it a worthy investment for anyone looking to combat excess moisture. Its combination of power, efficiency, and convenience truly sets it apart in the market.